This incredible 57 Corvette is the elixir for street and strip sickness. A super gas style custom that was built to show and race. It combines picture-perfect aesthetics with serious mechanical prowess. This unique Corvette was constructed under the direct guidance of NHRA chassis guru Don Davis. The idea was to create a one-off street car that could easily double as a bracket racer. As you might expect, the car's flip-top body is made of quality composite, and everything ties together on bright red 2-stage, which has been stamped with cross flags and highlighted with crisp silver coves that feature a ghost checker motif. Piloting this flip-top is relatively easy thanks to a snug all-business cockpit that's lined in neutral leather. The car's driver and passenger perch on simple buckets that feature body-matched harnesses. A minimalist dash founds odometer gauges behind toggle switches and a mirrored instrument panel. Clean carpet frames a custom console that's centered on a beefy B&M shifter, and a purposeful steering wheel laps metal foot pedals. Lift the fuselage and you'll reveal a 454 cubic inch big block that is backed by a TH400 auto and cradled in a Don Davis chassis. That chassis features a custom 4-link with adjustable coilovers to snap off consistent quarter-mile passes. Plenty quick and plenty streetable, this pristine Corvette is an excellent combination of pro street performance and timeless hot rod aesthetics. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.